Hello everyone, I'm Mohit Jain from MJ's Maths and Stats, that MJ Magic Studio to you. Find the HCF of, now three numbers is given. Yes, this kind of questions are also asked. Can we do it with the options? First option is 25. First two numbers are not divisible by 25. Second option is 26. That means all three numbers should be at least even, but 5, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 5 are odd. So similarly, I'll cancel out 28 also, because 28 is an even number and only 1 is the even number out of these three. So we're left with only 27. Yes, now you may check. 513 is actually 27 into 19. 1134 is 27 into 42. And once you have checked this for two number, why checking for the third number? HCF is highest common factor, that is 27 here. Find the least number which when divided by 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves remainder 3. Stop. We need a LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8. LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8 would be 35 into 6 into 4. That would be 840. Now, but when divided by 9 leaves no remainder, is 840 divisible by 9? No. Then what is the remainder we get if we divide 840 by 9? It is 8 plus, that is 3. Okay. So if I double it, what would be the remainder? Let me see. 840 into 2 is 1680. This number is divisible by 5, 6, 7, 8. Fine. Now, if this number is divided by 9, if this is divided by 9, I'm getting remainder 6. That means I need to add 3 to this so that it will become divisible by 9. And that is what we are looking out for. So our required number is 1680 plus 3, that is 1683. 1683 when divided by 5, 6, 7, 8 will leave remainder 3, and 1683 is 8 plus 1, 9, and 9, 18. Sum of digit is divisible by 9, and that is what we are looking out for. When divided by 9 leaves no remainder. Option C fits in. In the morning of Durga Ashtami, we are taking up question number 803. On a certain day, the cost of an article is a rupee. The next day it increases by a%. That means it becomes 1 plus a by 100, and then decreases by b%. Final value would be 1 minus b by 100. Keep on multiplying the percentage, increase or decrease. The next day again it increases by a%. Again multiply by 1 plus a by 100, and then decreases by b%. Multiply by 1 by. Now the cost of an article is a rupees again. This is equals to a again. If b is 20, what is the value of a? Let's quickly solve this. So we have 1 plus a by 100 whole square into b is 20. So 20 by 100 is 1 by 5. 1 minus 1 by 5 is 4 by 5. So we have 4 by 5 whole square, that is 1. That means 1 plus a by 100 whole square equals 5 by 4 whole square. 1 plus a by 100 is 5 by 4. A by 100 is 5 by 4 minus 1, that is 1 by 4. So a is 100 by 4, that is 25%. Now, instead of solving like this, we can also use the net effect concept to solve this particular question, isn't it? Since after the change effect of plus a minus b, again plus a minus b, we are getting this a back. That means the net effect of a and b should be 0. Actually, the net effect of a and b should be 0. And what is the effect of one increase and one going down is given by a minus b minus ab by 100. Now this should be equals to 0. We know the value of b. B is 20. A minus 20 minus 20b by 100 is 0. 20a by 100 rather. So a minus a by 5 is 4a by 5, that is 20. A equals to 25%. Rule 2 of our rule book, that is net change. Net change is given by a plus b plus ab by 100 with their respective signs. If it is increasing, we'll use the plus sign. If it is decreasing, we'll use the negative sign. Here it increases by a, decreases by a, and again you are getting the same value a, so net change would be 0. If you use this formula directly, put b equals to 20, you will get a equals to 25. Rule number 2 of rule book, net change. A and B work together for 8 days to complete a piece of work. Okay, A and B can complete this in 8 days. B and C work together for 12 days to complete the same work. B and C can complete this in 12 days. C alone can complete the work in 24 days. C in 24 days. A is twice as efficient as B. Fine. How much time does it take to complete the work if all the three works together? Why we require these data? I just need A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C will take how much? 24 is CM. 24 by 8 is 3. 24 by 24 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. They will take 24 by 4. That is 6 days to complete the work if A, B and C are working together. A man covered a total distance of 1000 kilometers in 16 hours, partly in taxi at 36 kilometers per hour and partly in bus at 80 kilometers per hour. Find the distance covered by the bus. Let the distance covered by the bus is x kilometer. So we have bus and we have taxi. Distance covered is x kilometer and taxi it is 1000 minus x kilometer. Speed on bus is 80 kph. Speed here is 36 kph. What is the formula to calculate time? Time is distance by speed. So x by 80 plus 1000 minus x by 36 should be equals to 16 hours, isn't it? Now if we solve this, we can find the value of x. So my answer would be none of these. A doctor wanted to know the weight of 5 boys, each weighing less than 55 kg. The children would not let the doctor measure their weights on the weighing machine unless they were weighed in pairs. Very good. The weights in kg thus obtained are these. Okay, when 5 boys would be weighted in pairs, obviously we'll have 10 pairs. So these are the 10 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The name of the 5 children were Tinu, Minu, Chinu, Tipu, Tilu. And also their weights were in the order. Tilu is greater than Tipu. Okay, Tilu, then Tipu, then we have Tinu, Minu, and Chinu. The total weights of Tilu and Tipu, Tilu plus Tipu, that means top 2, is 101. Minu and Chinu is 90, and Tinu Chinu okay, Tinu Chinu is 92. How many of them weighted less than 48 kg? And there is a simple process to find this. See, these are the weights of the 10 pairs. If we take A, B, C, D, E as these 5 of them, like A, B, C, D, E, then we can see that what are the 10 pairs? A, B, A, C, A, D, A, E. Then B, C, B, D, B, E, C, D, C, E, and D, E. And if you can see, we have got 10 pairs, and in each pairs, if we add up their weights, any alphabet is coming 4 times. That means if I add all these 10, I'll get actually 4 times A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Isn't it? Let me add up all these. 90 plus 92 plus 93 till 101 on adding gives 956. That means A, B, C, D, E weight is 956 by 4, that is 239. Now, we have the value of AB, we have the value of CE, then D would be 239 minus AB 101 minus CE is 92. So, this will give me 239 minus 193, that is 46. Minu is 46 kgs. Now, Minu and Shinu is 90. That means E should be equals to 44. 90 minus 46. Now, Chinu and Tinu is 92. So, Tinu should be equals to 92 minus 44. That is 48. Now they have asked how many of them weighted less than 48 kg. Tinu is 48 kg. That means Tipu and Tilu are both 48 plus. Isn't it? Minu and Chinu weight is 46 kg and 44 kgs, which is less than 48 kg. How many of them weighted less than 48 kg? 2 of them. Answer. In the word mathematics, the position of vowels and consonants are kept unchanged. That means this is consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. The character of the word should be maintained like this. This is also known as relative position of vowels and consonants remain unchanged. Then how many different words can be formed? We can see that vowels are 1, 2, 3, 4, and they can be placed at only these 4 positions in 4p4 ways. And we need to place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 consonants in these 7 places in 7p7 ways. But as we can see, we have got 2 times M appearing, 2 times A appearing, and 2 times T appearing. These are alike items, and in case of alike item we use the concept of discounting. And what do you mean by discounting? Divide the results by the number of alike items. So how many words can be formed? Maintaining that vowel and consonants relative positions are kept unchanged. Factorial 4 into factorial 7 by 2, 4, 8. Factorial 4 is 24 by 8 is 3. So it's 3 into factorial 7 is 5040. 15120. Different words can be formed. Option A fits in. What are odds against? Now, if we have an event A and probability of occurrence of that is given by small a by small b, then odds against is what we are looking out for. If I've given you odds against any particular event is P by Q, then probability of that particular event to occur is given by, since it is odd against, Q upon P plus Q. Now, can we make out some formula with help of if PA is given for odd against? Yes. What you do, just invert this B by A, deduct 1 from it. That will give you B minus A by A. And then odd against would be B minus A is to A. You can check, if this is odd against, this is P and this is Q, then what would be the probability of occurrence of A? That would be Q upon P plus Q is B. Isn't it A by B? So, please remember this thing. A probability of occurrence of any event is A by B. Odd against are given by B minus A is to A. Now let us calculate probability of A first from the given data. What are the odd against drawing 2 red balls from a bag containing 3 red and 2 white balls? So favorable cases is 3C2. Total cases are 3 plus 2, 5 balls we have. We need to draw 2, 5C2. Since nothing is mentioned in the question, it is always assumed that drawing is made without replacement, isn't it? So 3C2 is 3 and 5C2 is 10. So this is A by B. That means odds against would be B minus A is to A. That is 10 minus 3 is to 3. 7 is to 3. Option A. A train takes 8 seconds to pass a pole. A train takes 8 seconds. That means to pass a pole, train is just clearing its own length, isn't it? When it passes a pole, that means distance traveled would be length of the train. At a speed of 36 kph, speed is 36 kph. Let us convert this into meter per second, because seconds is given as far as time is concerned. 36 into 5 by 18 will be 10 meters per second. So what is the formula to find the distance? Distance is speed into time. Speed is 10 meter per second into time 8 seconds will give us 80 meters. So distance traveled in 8 seconds at the rate of 10 MPS is 80 meters. That is nothing but the length of the train which it has to clear the entire pole. Answer B. Study the given information. The following pie chart shows the distribution of employees in percentage working in different departments of the company. Total number of employees 2400. Okay, so we have production, sales looks like, okay, matching with accounts, matching with this. So this is accounts, this is sales. Here we have got production, R&D, and this one is marketing. Read the question and please try. If 3/4 of the R&D department employees are male, R&D is 22%. 22% of 2400 into 3/4 are male. Okay, these are male. Then what is the ratio of females employee of R&D department? So female employee of R&D department would be 22% of 2400 into 1/4 to the total number of employees in sales department. Sales department we have got 19%. That is 19% of 2400. So why we need to calculate it? We can just cancel out, isn't it? 2 is 11 and this is 2. That means 11 by 2 is to 19 is the required ratio. That is 11 is to 38. When ratios are asked in the question, please do not solve these stuff, because we need to divide and everything will get cancelled out. We just need the ratio. Option C fits in. Thank you everyone for participating. This is Mohit Jain from MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. Please subscribe to the channel and do watch these videos. They are going to help you out a lot. I'll see you soon. Thank you.